You annihilated most of that.
Very delicious.
Very delicious?
Yeah. I can't stop mine.
Good. She's getting ready to take the first bite.
Take the flour.
Yeah? What would people in China think if they could come to a place like the Cheesecake Factory?
I think they will like cheesecake.
They would like it?
Yeah.
Do you think any of them have tasted anything like this?
Yeah.
They have no idea what they're missing.
Yes.
How many people from China did you see in there?
None.
None. So no Chinese people are in there?
Yes.
Only you.
Yeah.
So you're very lucky, huh?
Yeah. I never eat this kind of delicious cake before.
Yeah? But you did now.
Yeah. Lucky. And it tastes soft, smooth. Tastes very good.
Yeah? Yeah? Kind of like me?
Yeah.